Hello, my people. Hope you guys are good. People asking me for fine reductions. Let me tell you this. For all other states, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, Ajman, Fujairah, Mulk, Ras Al Khaimah, fine reductions are not going through. Only for Dubai, you can take a risk of applying for fine reduction. It's not 100% still. Like, for example, 10 people apply for fine reductions in Dubai, maybe 4 or 5 will go through, not all of them. But for applying for fine reductions, what are the requirements? You need to have a company that is willing to make you an employment visa. For that, first of all, they give you an offer letter and a labor contract. Now, offer letter, when I say not from the company, it's from the government. So you need the offer letter, a labor contract, and the labor card number. Now, after getting these three things, you apply for the visa. The company will apply for a visa for you. If you are not absconded, your visa will come out, your status will not change. So, for having the status change, you have to pay your fines. So you'll take all these 4 documents, including your visa copy, and then apply for fine reductions. In case they approve, Alhamdulillah, you pay your fines, the minimum fines that they were reduced to, and then you get your status change. If you have an abscond, then of course your visa will also not come out. So in this case, what you will do, you'll take the application of the visa that your company has typed with all the other 3 things, and then also the company's license, and then apply for fine reduction. Again, it's the immigration of Dubai that will accept or reject. So it's not 100% that when you apply, they get approved as well. So this is the update of how to apply for fine reductions in case you're applying. Otherwise, fine reductions are not going through. So just make sure that you don't overstay your visa, please. If you also have a question, please leave in the comment section. I'll try to reply to with a video. That's it. See you in the next video. Much love, peace, and God bless Africa. One love.